Hi, my name is Alan Ferrer and I'm the corporate chef of Aburi Restaurants Canada, and today we'll be making an Ambrosia apple and Tai Carpaccio here at Miku Restaurant. So we're going to start off with the Thai snapper. Take off the top end. You want to slice on a bias as thin as possible without tearing the meat. Now for one serving you want to get about 3 ounces of the Thai snapper. By the way, Thai is the Japanese name for snapper fish, and it's not caught off the coast of Thailand. And if you don't have it available, we can use locally caught lingcod or rockfish caught off the west coast. Carefully place the sliced Thai down the middle, not overlapping too much. Now with handling raw seafood, you want to keep it as cold as possible, keep it food safe. We'll get a piece of saran wrap and we'll place it in the refrigerator just to keep it nice and cool for our final plating. I've just flipped my board here just to prevent any cross-contamination from raw seafood products to your fresh produce. So now I'm going to be juicing the apple. You want to remove the stem and the seeds. Now if you don't have a juicer at home, you can simply put your diced apples in a blender, give it a good buzz, and then afterwards you can use a fine strainer, just get the pure juice. Now that we've got our fresh Ambrosia apple juice, just put a tablespoon of this yuzu juice into your fresh apple juice. And this is a citrus from Japan, and you can buy it at any Asian grocery store. It's just like how we use lemons and limes here. So we're going to be making a simple vinaigrette now. I've chose to use grapeseed oil because it's pretty neutral and it'll still give you that nice creamy consistency. And then a pinch of salt just to highlight the freshness of the Ambrosia apple. Now it's okay that you don't fully emulsify it because it is a vinaigrette. Then next I'm going to be working on some Ambrosia apple garnishes. We're going to be pickling some. Get an apple core. Now you want to slice these fairly thin. Then if you have a cookie cutter at home, this just adds wow factor. Now in front of me I got some pickling liquid, and it consists of pickling spice and Asian vinegar, which you can substitute to your vinegar of liking, some sugar, chili flakes, and fresh thyme. And then submerge right into the pickling liquid. Do it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So earlier, I've prepped up some Ambrosia apples, nice julienne, matchstick sizes. I've also pre-prepped some shaved fennel, submerged into an ice bath, just to get it nice and crisp and to get it curly. Shake the water off, combine that with the julienne apples. So now we want a julienne basic celery heart, similar to the size of the Ambrosia apple. Combine it into the bowl, and then with our vinaigrette, dress it lightly. Give it a quick toss. Be gentle with it, just to preserve the wow factor. Now we're fully prepped and ready for the final plating. But first off, before we do garnish, what we do here at Miku is aburi. This gives a slight smoky flavor to our fish and what we're known for here with our sushi. This is totally optional. Here I have some bamboo charcoal flown in from Japan. Just a quick sear. You don't want to overcook the fish. And then with our vinaigrette, dress it lightly. Now the slaw that we prepped earlier, keeping the height. Now with the pickled apples, you want to place them on top of the carpaccio. And our final garnish is here. We got some pomegranate, amaranth, and some Asian greens. Now here we have the final dish, Ambrosia apple and Tai Carpaccio. Now if you enjoy it and love it, please vote for it.